Now let's do question number 5. Now question number 5 is actually testing you on mean, mode, as well as histogram. So if you know these concepts well, this question should not be an issue. So question number 5, a group of students took part in a fundraising project. The amount of money in dollars collected by each student was counted and shown in the table below over here. So the frequency table of the amount of money collected is recorded below. So this table actually is we are recording it based on the data over here, based on a group of students taking part in a fundraising project and how much money did they collect. Okay. So what we're going to do over here, right, is to write down for part A. So 5A, the question is asking us to write down the model amount of money collected. So the model means the most frequent occurring number. So in this case, we can see that 57 is the most frequent occurring amount of money collected. So then the model amount of money collected will be $57, and that is rather straightforward. 5B, complete the frequency table above. Okay, so the mid value is actually the middle value between 0 and 20, so that will be 10. The mid value between 40 and 60 is 50. Mid value between 60 and 80 is 70. Mid value between 80 and 100 is 90. Therefore, the mid value between 20 and 40 is 30. Okay, and the frequency, so we need to look at this range over here. M is strictly more than $20 and less than or equals to $40. Okay, so if we see 20, we don't count. But if we see 40, we count. Okay, so we need to take note of this strict inequality and this weaker inequality over here. So we need to count the amount of money more than 20, not including 20, and less than or equals to 40, which means including 40. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, that's it. So this answer is 5, and so this is the frequency multiplied by the value, so f times x. So 5 times 30 is 150 over here, and this thing is actually summation f. So if you think the word summation is too complicated for you, basically it's just saying sum up all the frequencies. So that will be 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. So this actually equals to 20. And for this over here, again, is the sum of all the fx. So 20 plus 150 plus 450 plus 210 plus 90. So this is actually equals to 920. Okay? Then the question asks you, using the values that we have filled in the table, hence estimate the mean amount of money collected by each of the students. So the mean is actually the summation, the sum of all the fx divided by the sum of all the f. Okay, in this case, we know that summation fx divided by summation f is actually 920 divided by 20. So in this case, this actually gives us 46. So then the mean is actually 46. Okay, so that's the mean amount of money that is collected by the students. So with that being said, let's complete the histogram over here. So basically the histogram over here, the vertical axis represents the frequency and the horizontal axis represents the amount collected in the range. So from 40 to 60, right, the frequency is 9. So you can see it's 9 over here. And from 60 to 80, the frequency is 3. Okay. And from 80 to 100, the frequency is 1. Okay? So what I'm going to do over here is we are supposed to complete the histogram. So what we are missing out is 0 to 20. So what's the frequency? Is actually 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade here. And then what about 20 to 40? Is actually the frequency is 5. So I'm going to take the midpoint of 4 and 6. So that will be this answer over here. And yes, we are done with question number 5. Not too hard. It's actually quite easy.